This tutorial is going to help with the very common lifter noise that you hear on these engines. The reason this happens is because your camshaft is in rotation. Once it hits that valve, it opens it up for airflow, and sometimes it may get stuck, causing those lifters or camshaft ends to get worn out. First, you want to check your dipstick. Just make sure you have enough oil on it. I would take it out, put it back in, and check it again. I will be using all liquid moly products and then a Hengst oil filter. You will need hydraulic lifter additive and MOS2 anti-friction. Then you'll add your hydraulic lifter additive. It is pretty thick, so I would allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. Then let the engine warm up and go out and drive it pretty hard. Now it's time for the oil change, so you'll use a 13mm socket to open up the drain plug. While that's draining, you can go ahead and remove the oil filter and replace that. My Mercedes takes 6.9 quarts, so I will add in the first jug, which is 5.2 quarts. Then I'll add MOS2, which acts as a coating to the components and just helps with overall performance and longevity of the engine. After adding the final quarts, I did check my dipstick to make sure it was at the max line, and there you go, no more lifter noise.